Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to find Mistfall Hunter saved file location. So here's what you're going to do. Go to File Explorer, open it, go to this PC, local disk C, go to Users, click the middle one. For me, it's Note 3. Now go to here, App Data. If you don't see it, click here, View, and then click Show, and then Hidden Items. And now you want to click on it, click Local. Now in here, you want to press somewhere here, press Mistfall or M till you find Mistfall Hunter. Now go to Saved, go to Saved Games, and here you should be your save file location. And to find config, you go to Back, go to Config, go to Windows, and here it should say Game User Settings. If you right click on it and click Open with Notes, here you can find your settings and you can tune them up. And that's it for this video. That's how you find Mistfall Hunter save file location. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.